Hey, this is Jeff at Ford & Home over here at the Melrose Hotel to do a walkthrough. All right, we're first week of June here. Let's see, we have liquor license up in the window that was approved for the tenant. We have the ramp ready to be poured. The concrete here, so everything is inspected. Rebar set. The ADA ramp on the back side, steps on the front here. That's the new door into the bar area. Over here on this side, you'll see the paint color. They've started painting. Body color for wall building. And coming in, finishing up drywall. Wall area. Installed in the corridor here. Also in the rooms. Got ram board down to protect it. This is what the hardwood looks like. We'll have to transition now where it's going to turn to tile. Add that piece in afterward. These units are primed, ready for door install and trim. You see it's a cloudy day out and it's still letting in quite a bit of light too. Side. You're finished the drywall and the tile floor in here. Grouted, ready to tie in the flooring. This is the section we're moving to next, the floors. Same here with the tile. Heating and cooling units. So on this side, you have both. You have the units in the ceiling and then wall mounts. How much attic space there is. There's a door out to the back patio. The fire pit and seating area will be. All these units are finished with texture, primed flooring. Look at the last video. We're working on insulation and still haven't done yet. finished as well. This is where the kitchenettes will be. And here, kitchenette in the corner. As well. A lot of sidewalk, flat work coming all back here. And a stair system, steel stair system going up to the other floor. Parking area. You can see everything's marked out for lights, path lighting, natural gas for the fire pits. Path lighting as well. The gutter system for water. Exits up to that corner. A lot of planning goes into it. We also need to get our grade to match the concrete to match the parking lot next door. That's a wrap.